now like to invite up onto stage Andrey Mima. Andrey is the co-founder of Flatfy in the Ukraine. And he's going to talk about AI, our first sort of dive into AI. And in particular, he's going to talk about how everyone's talking about it, but he's been doing it for 10 years. Andrey, over to you.
Hello, everybody. My name is Andrey Mima. I'm a co-founder of a Flatfy group. It's #1 Proptech group in Ukraine. And I'm going to tell you how we use AI for more than 10 years right now. Malcolm and Jonathan made a great overview, but my presentation will be more specific. I will tell you how we use it from our experience. So a little bit information about us. We were founded in 2008, so we are 16 years from now, and we operate several brands. Our major brand is Loon. It's a real estate portal, #1 in Ukraine. We have more than 5 million audience monthly, and our business model is advertisement and classified. Then we have Realtor. It's a B2B platform for realtors. Then we have Burb. It's a leading iOS application that is launched in Ukraine, and we launch it in London too. It has for now around 1 million installs. And we have Quarter, international real estate platform with a commission sharing business model. And it is working in Georgia right now. So to tell you more about AI, I briefly tell you our story of how we developed. In 2008, we launched as an aggregator. Yeah, so we aggregated all the portals in the market and put all the ads on map. It was our know-how, you know. Then in 2010, we switched to new developments catalog. We launched this catalog, and we charge developers for the premium listings, and it was our core business till 2022. It grew very fast and provided more than 80% of our revenue. Then in 2014, when Russia annexed Crimea and started a war in Donbass, we decided to expand internationally and launched our portals in a few countries. And one of the best examples of our business now is Georgia. We have a new developments catalog and a digital agency there. So we charge commission from developers. And we are selling more than 200 flats a year right now. And then in 2022, after Russia started a full-scale war, it was a very interesting moment for real estate portals in Ukraine. Lots of them bankrupted. And our aggregation business, as you understand, was killed. Then our new developments advertising business was killed too, because no one was interested into investing in new developments. So we needed to change our business model. We acquired a number three player, a Realtor, and combined their user base with our traffic, and we launched a classified business. So now we charge for publishing ads. So what about AI? We started to use AI when we were an aggregator. So if you have dozens of websites and millions of ads, what do you need? Aggregator needs, first of all, ads from all the market. It is its brand promise, yeah. We would like to put it precisely on map, yes. We wanted to have no duplicates, because lots of ads from different portals, you obviously have hundreds of duplicates, and we wanted to have no fakes. So we needed to develop some AI technologies, and I will tell you what we were using and what of them were helpful and what of them were just, nice to have like toys and were not useful. So the main technology we needed is geographical recognition of information from text, because we needed to put an ad precisely on map. Then we needed to get parameters from text and images, because we needed to provide a search. Then we needed to make image classification, because it was very important for duplicates grouping. You need to understand if it is the same picture of room, then there are duplicates. Yeah, if there is the same picture of building, I mean multi-story building, you need to put these images to the side. So we developed an AI classification technology. And very important, we developed technologies that finds fakes and frauds and just kill them. And nice to have features, which I think were not very useful for us. It is a watermarks detection, cleaning, and we played a little bit with image improvement, like super resolution. But yeah, it has no impact on our revenue or user interactions. So now, when we changed to a portal to classified, we had a very big question. Do we still need to invest in AI? Because if you are a portal, you have a full control of geographical location, yes, of all the parameters, because you put it on your website, yeah? You can manage photos quality, you can provide moderation, so do you even need an AI? It happened that we used some of our previous technologies as a portal, and I will tell you how we benefit from AI now, being a classical classified. So first, we cut costs, because if you have moderation team, it's great, but you need fakes detection to make some pre-moderation. So it cut our cost very much, because we do it very fast, and we prepare information for the moderations, so they could do it very quickly. The second, we still aggregate content in those locations where we are not as powerful as our competitors, so we aggregate content, and we still need these AI tools to provide clean and duplication grouping, and it has a great impact on our search engine optimization because of long tail of queries. Then we still have our product value, our brand promise as an aggregator, that we have all ads from the market, so we're aggregating content for that too. And the final, it has an impact on our revenue too, because we have an auction model in our classifieds. Who pays more has the higher position, and there are lots of duplicates of different real estate agents that advertise one apartment, and we put the biggest bid on top. And we need to make very good duplicates grouping so that auction could work very good. So this is like an example where our technology gives us revenue, because real estate agents fight for the leads, because only first gets all the leads from that apartment, and others are hidden and get nothing. It was like traditional AI, and now with an era of large language models, or GPTs, is coming, and we think that it might be a new change of paradigm, because You know, it was offline businesses, newspapers, then it was desktop portals, then we switched to mobile apps, and now there is AI assistant wave that is coming, as we think. And we are gonna use this wave to try hop into it. We are combining our power of aggregating content, then understanding content with image recognition, then behavior tracking. We can make a very good recommendation system, and adding to this three, the last one, chat or even voice interface, we are building, under our brand Burb, an AI rental agent that works like you can have a human interaction by text or by voice, and it searches from all the market and shows you the apartment with 98% match, and it understands all the parameters from text, from images. So this is our new bet. We have a very good traction of this application without this agent. We have more than around 1 million installs right now. It is launched in Kiev and in London. We're going to launch in more cities next year. And this application will be a base for our AI agent launch. How to benefit from this agent? We think that the best is a subscription business model. We estimate that total addressable market could be around 100 million a year, because millions of renters in European capitals having problems with renting a flat. So this is our next bet on the new era of chat GPT's opportunities. So conclusions. We think that traditional AI can be useful in traditional classifieds businesses, even right now. I showed you how. We think that new AI, like GPTs, at least can provide a new interaction experience, or it can be even a start of new paradigm. After a switch to mobile, the next could be AI agents in your phones. Or not. Okay. So I have one more thing to tell you. It's a very interesting moment in Ukraine happening right now in real estate businesses. A consolidation is happening. Lots of portals bankrupted or completely lost their audience. So there are only few of them left. And even despite the war is happening right now, our classified business continues to grow. We grew more than 2 times in past 2 years with an ARR of 50%. You saw Jonathan's presentation. It was 10 to 20% in established markets, so we grow 50%. After switching to classified business, we understood that it is much more stable than aggregation or advertising, because if markets go up, agents are rich and they pay you. If market go down, they need to sell properties, they pay you. Yeah. Our revenue is growing for 6 quarters in a row. And even now, if the war continues, there is still a place to grow, because the major player right now is a generalist, OLX, which has around 70–80% of the market. We estimate it as 30 million annual advertisement spendings of 300 million commission pool right now. And we expect our growth at 5x for the next 5 years, even if the war continues. So why I'm telling you that, yeah? Because we are now preparing a management buyout of our seed investor that entered our business more than 10 years ago. And if you want, you can join us. We have a few options of the size of taking part in this consortium of buyout. So we expect 5x growth if the war is happening forever, and 10x if we will benefit from the end of the war and start of recovery, rebuilding, and it will have a significant impact on the market and our revenue. So, be brave, like Ukraine, be brave like me, join our partners, my partners, us founders in this buyout. You can be a part of one of the last countries in Europe which have no major player with quite a big population, 30 million of people. So this is a very good timing right now because consolidation is happening, and you know that the vertical player wins, yeah, in the end. So you can enter on the low price and in 10 years sell to Naspers 10 times more expensive. So if you want to join me, you have my contacts, make a photo or chat me in the Vuva app, and we'll talk about it. So yeah, this is it. I have finished. We have more time for questions. Thank you.
Andrey, thank you very much for that. I've got some questions here. What map provider does Flatfy use, and why did you select them compared to other providers?
We are like software developers, so we use our own technology, but it is based on Mapbox technology. It's like 3D map. It's much more cheaper than Google's. So Mapbox.
Okay.
Short answer is Mapbox.
Okay, that's a short answer. I like short answers. Okay. Can you talk about staffing your AI team and what specific hires were most useful?
It all started with a hire of our AI leader, who was a student in cybernetics, mechanical mathematics faculty of our university. So, yeah, we didn't hire some top-end professional. We hired students, and they grow. And all that I'm telling you, he built in this 10 years period.
Okay. How big is the team and where are they based? And do you see a lot of UK residents moving back? Where are we going? Back, should the war end, and how fast will that shift happen?
Our team is around 200 people. The most of them are based in Ukraine, but our top management is based in Warsaw right now because we have lots of girls in our top management. So our Chief HR Officer, our CFO, they are based in Warsaw like we are.
Okay, and last question, is the company profitable?
It was profitable in 2021. Then it was not profitable for last 3 years, but it is for now it is we have break even, so we reinvest all profit we have into market share in Ukraine and our international expansion to London and in Georgia.
Okay, fantastic, Andrey. Thank you very much for sharing that.
Simon.
Excellent. So take.